What's your name? No, the gentleman.
My name is Ron.
Ron?
Yes, sir.
You are absolutely incredible, man. I gotta say. I'm in my head and I'm just trying, nailing it, and I open my eyes and he's got this damn candle just like that. You're a trendsetter, Ron. You're a trendsetter. I gotta do this. We told you guys a couple times tonight, and anybody that's been to our shows before knows that I don't like blowing smoke up everybody's ass and every night being like, you guys have been the best crowd ever, and it's, huh? I can't. Thank you. I don't know. But I say this genuinely, and like I said before, I speak for the rest of the band. I hope when I tell you that tonight has been probably the most fun I've had as a musician in a very long time. It says a lot, about this area of the country, and about the Houston area, and about Texas. That I was born here. I lived here for like a year and change, and then moved up north. And every time I've been able to come back here, the response has always been amazing. And I'm very honored that you all kind of let me be part of the gang. Thank you guys so much. This is Lady Love. Thank you guys very much.